just couldn't believe that somebody would do all that running for no particular reason.
Why are you doing this?
I just felt like running. My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. I gotta pee.
Come here. I got something to show you.
Hey, let's be careful out there.
Those must be comfortable shoes.
And just trust the process and fall in. Oh my! No, I'm just kidding. Keep your mind. Sit right in there. And that's easy, right? Mm-hmm. Same thing, Cheryl. Trust the random man with the mustache you just met. Boom! Opinions, the oysters are pretty much the biggest contributing factor to the ecosystem, right? Does anybody know what oysters do?
They clean the ocean.
They clean the ocean. What are they cleaning out, Keith?
Grass.
They can hold their breath for over 5 minutes and swallow fish. You might have heard of something called a shiner. It's a little reflective piece of metal that goes in the that snowy egret has
If I want to win your heart, I'm gonna have to show you. I'm not a maybe. I'm the one.
Sometimes we do bad things for the people we love.
Into the great wide open.
Goodbye.